For Mashable, I'm Adam Falk. Pakistani authorities blocked access to Twitter for a few hours Sunday. Here's a word from the spokesman for Pakistan Telecommunication Authority. There was blasphemous material on Twitter. Both Facebook and Twitter were involved. We negotiated with both. Facebook has agreed to remove the stuff, but Twitter is not responding to us. But the ban didn't hold. Hours after blocking the site, authorities lifted the ban and Pakistani tweeters signed back in. The microblogging service is widely used in the country, even by public figures like Pakistan's Minister for the Interior. After the ban lifted, he tweeted, "Dear all, yes, I spoke to Prime Minister and informed how people are feeling about it. Prime Minister ordered to reopen the Twitter." So why was it shut down in the first place? The Inquisitor and other sources report it was likely over a contest in which caricatures of the Prophet Muhammad were submitted online. And according to the BBC, this ban was similar to one involving a Facebook drawing competition in 2010. It reports Facebook was banned for about 2 weeks before the company blocked access to the page in Pakistan. But this is the internet, so even during the ban, tweeters found a way. One user posted, "The fact that despite their Twitter ban, we are still tweeting from Pakistan should tell them how stupid it is to censor the internet." For Mashable, I'm Adam Falk.